Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to merge Fortnite account on Epic Games using your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Epic Game Launcher on your PC and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you're on your home page, at the top right corner, click on your profile, then click on account. In your account settings, in the left menu, click on link account. Here you will see options to link other accounts like Xbox, PlayStation or even other Epic Game account. Now click link next to the account you want to merge. Follow the instruction to log in to the secondary account and authorize the connection. After linking, Epic Games will show a message confirming that your account are merged. Your skin, progress, and V-Bucks from the secondary account will now appear in your primary account. And you can only merge account once, so make sure you choose carefully which account to combine. Some items or progress may not transfer depending on the platform or account type. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.